got stuck on my birthday on the side of the road, slashed tire.
On my baby birthday.
Sitting on the highway. And look at my man. Look at what he's doing.
I ain't even mad. Shit happens, bruh. Shit real in the field. Chirac, what's up? They better pay attention to these cars.
Made the whole car shake. Look at that beautiful sunset. On my 29th birthday. Look at that. Sitting on the side of the road. But it's okay. My baby's going to get us to where we're supposed to go. You need me to get out, babe?
No.
Okay. A handsome man.
Just keep an eye on them people.